So the transcendental qualities are mentioned. 40 qualities are mentioned. Out of this, 19th item is the power to make everything possible. Impossible, Lord says, I am possible. असंभव को अति संभव बना दूंगा. This is what Lord says. We will see some examples. First, Dwarka city, Prabhuji always used to say, overnight, just a jump from Mathura to Dwarka, and the entire city was made, full of jewels, golds, emeralds, and the palaces. Everybody has palaces, and few quotes from the Bhagavatam, the opulence of Dwarka. 1.11.12. The city of Dwarkapuri was filled with opulences of all seasons. There were hermitages, orchards, flower gardens, parks, and reservoirs of water breeding lotus flowers of many kinds. Then 10.69, 1 to 6. That is when Narada visits Dwarka. Dwarka boasted 900,000 royal palaces, all constructed with crystal and silver, splendidly decorated with huge emeralds. Inside these palaces, the furnishings were bedecked with gold and jewels. Then 11.6.5. In that resplendent city of Dwarka, rich with all superior opulences, the demigods beheld with unsatiated eyes the wonderful form of Sri Krishna. Then again 69, some more definition, explanation on 9 to 12 verses. Supporting the palace were coral pillars decoratively inlaid with Vaidurya gems. Sapphires bedecked the walls, and the floors glowed with perpetual brilliance. And I will just skip little more. Pearls, ivory, precious jewels, and even the maid servants were having the lockets and necks and jewels and well dressed, and the men had the jeweled earrings, etc. So in that 16,108 marriages, that also wonderfully, 16,108 Brahmaji was there, 16,108 unka mata pita, everybody, replica, 16,108.
Replica was made. Every place Vasudev Devaki was there, and in one Murat, one time Lord expanded, and in one, in one place it was done everything.
Everything was done. 16,108.
In one Murat, one time.
One Murat, same time. So on that also, some of the how Lord को 16,108 marriages of Lord Krishna. Yeah, असंभव है क्या? ना, ये संभव है. So 10.69.1 to 6. It is quite amazing that in a single body, Lord Krishna simultaneously married 16,000 women, each in a separate palace. Narada Muni thought. Then 69.41. Sukadeva Goswami said, thus in every palace, Narada saw the Lord in the same personal form, executing the transcendental principle of religion that purified those engaged in household affairs. In one place, he was, receiving Narada at that time. He was doing something else. He was taking care of cows somewhere. He was talking to the queen somewhere. He was giving the dhan to the brahmanas somewhere. So different household activity Lord was doing. And Narada's moment was just a moment. Between the moment one palace to another palace, and it is totally a different scene there. So that is how he was able to see. 1.11.30. Thereafter the Lord entered his palaces, which were perfect to the fullest extent. His wives lived in them, and they numbered over 16,000. Again and again, it's explained in Bhagavatam. The vision was revealed to Narada because of his desire to see it, and the Lord's desire to show it to Narada. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti points out that the other residents of Dwaraka could see only one Krishna in a particular part of the city. They themselves occupied, and not anywhere else. Even if they would sometimes go to another area in the city for some other business, they could not see another Krishna. This was only for Narada. This was simultaneously shown all the 16,108 palaces, 16,108 Krishna. It was one and only Krishna, single Krishna. He makes everything Sambhav, everything Ati Sambhav. Then next Lila, we'll go to Ras Lila. You can see the picture in Ras Lila. This Ras Lila was going on for 432 crore years. And in 10.33.3 in Bhagavatam, Lord Krishna expanded himself and entered between each pair of gopis, and that master of mystic power, Lord Krishna, placed his arms around their neck. Each girl thought he was standing next to her alone. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur points out that each gopi saw one manifestation. Like other than Narada, others could see only one Krishna in Dwarka. Here, gopis also, they could see only one Krishna. That one Krishna was with them only. The demigods, however, could see, along with their wives, all the different manifestation as they watched the rasa dance from their aeroplane, not from here. So from the high level, they were sitting in their airplane and watching. They were astonished. They were seeing this Leela so nice that Lord is there. As many gopis were there, that many Lord was there. And Lord was same, one and the same. Expanding himself as many times as there were cowherd women to associate with, the Supreme Lord, those self-satisfied, playfully enjoyed their company. 10.33.19. Then 10.33.38. After an entire night of Brahma had passed, Lord Krishna advised the gopis to return to their homes. Although they did not wish to do so, the Lord's beloved consorts complied with his command. That is one night of Brahma. It is in the purport of Bhagavad Gita 8.17, Srila Prabhupada explains, a kalpa is a day of Brahma, and one day of Brahma consists of 1,000 cycles of 4 yugas, one yuga chakra. That is 4.32 billion years or 432 crore years. You have to add, multiply by 10, multiply by 100, then it comes to 432 years. And this time was stopped by the Lord. That they were only for one night they came and gopis went back immediately. Even though they actually spent 432 the
So
crore
this is
years.
asambhav sambhav.
असंभव को संभव बना दिया, अति संभव बना दिया.
Yes.
Next, असंभव को अति संभव बनाया Lord Krishna by lifting Govardhan Leela. So in chapter 10.25.19, इत्युक्त्वैकेन हस्तेन कुत्वा गोवर्धनाचलं दवाललिया विष्णु चात्रकमिव बालकः. Having said this, I will protect the people. Before that, lot of story is there. It will take long time if we tell the full story. So shortly, I can tell very briefly that Lord Indra, he got angry. So because Lord wanted to smash his pride into pieces. So Indra, because of his false prestige, he brought Samvataka cloud, and that brought lightning, roaring thunder, rain, wind, cold, blasting wind, and onslaught on the people of Brija and also the cows, everybody. But Lord said, I am the shelter. They are my family. I am their master. I must protect them. So having said this, Lord, who is Vishnu himself, picked up Govardhan Hill with one hand and held it aloft just as easily as a child holds up a small mushroom. Like that, Lord was lifting in the left hand and that to the small finger, and that to not from the center of the mountain, Giriraj, it is from the side of the Giriraj. And there was no hunger. In the next, another sloka, Lord Krishna, forgetting hunger and thirst, putting aside all consideration of personal pleasure, stood there holding up the hill for 7 days, 7 nights as people of Raja gazed upon him. People are enjoying. They also forgot all the thirst, all the hunger, and they were all smiling, and they were seeing their Lord right from his face to lotus feet. They were seeing and enjoying all the cows without affecting a single bit of all the heavy thunderous rain and rainfall and snow, hailstorm, everything. Whatever he could do, Indra tried all his things. Then after 7 days, he has to withdraw. And then the Lord kept the Giriraj Maharaj as it is down, without, as originally it was, same way he kept it back. And he told everybody to go home, and everybody put all their luggages in their carts and went home so happily, dancing, singing, rejoicing, without affecting. We were all affected on 26 July 2005 in the small rain. And this was, thousands and lakhs of more than that sort of rain. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Everything was protected by the Lord. As Sambhav ko Ati Sambhav Banaya, Lord Krishna, by lifting the Govardhan Hill. We'll go to the next Leela, Brahma Vimohan Leela. We know that, how Brahmaji wanted to, he was thinking, Lord, oh, he is eating juta and everything. How he can be Lord? Like that he was thinking. And he arrested all the cows, all the cowhead boys. and he arrested and he kept there. Then the Lord was searching for some time. Then he realized that he knows past, present, future. Then the Lord, what he did, 10.13.18. Thereafter, just to create pleasure both for Brahma and for the mothers of cows and cowherd boys, Krishna, the creator of the entire cosmic manifestation, expanded himself as that many calves, that many boys, that many all the dresses, that many sticks, and whatever they used to carry, that many tiffin box, everything Lord became. Everything was
Same
Lord.
to same. He dressed like that. The lakuti was made. Everything as it is.
Yes, everything 100% without any change. In this way, then 10.13.27. In this way, Sri Lord Krishna, having himself become the cowherd boys and groups of cows, maintained himself by himself. Thus, he continued this pastime both in Vrindavana and in the forest for one
year.
full year. One full year, then he was there. Then the Brahma came down, and then the rest of the story we will skip
Very nice.
for that time.
Go forward, Prabhu, because
Then,
there are a lot of
then the next one, Damodar Lila. Krishna ne
Yes.
asambhav ko ati sambhav banaya. Because of
Yes.
Mother Yashoda's hard labor, her whole body became covered with perspiration, and the flowers and comb were falling from her hair. When child Krishna saw his mother thus fatigued, he became merciful to her and agreed to be bound, to be caught, to be bound, to then to be caught and to be bound, to crawl with the mortar, that is along with the ukal, to fell and crash the Yamuna River. ये सब नॉर्मली संभव है क्या? नो, असंभव है. बट लॉर्ड ने सबको अति संभव बना दिया हमारे भगवान ने. ये सब इतना छोटा बच्चा है, फिर भी he because of the mercy he could get caught, he could be bound, he could crawl with the ukal, he could fall, make the trees fall. So the story of Yamalarjan. So we will skip to the next. We'll move forward to Narasimha Avatar, 7.8.17. To prove the statement of his servant Prahlad Maharaj was substantial. In other words, to prove that Supreme Lord is present anywhere and everywhere, even within the pillar of the assembly hall, the Supreme Personality of God, Hari, exhibited a wonderful form never before seen by anyone. So only to make good, make truth, the Prahlad Maharaj words that yes, Bhagavan इधर भी है क्या? Yes, ये pillar में भी है. So वो pillar से आया Bhagavan. He appeared from there, Narasimha Bhagavan. Then the 7.8.31, Lord Narasimha Dev killed Hiranyakashipu and thousands of his soldiers merely with the ends of his nail only. Because Brahma's whatever Vardhan Diyata, he wanted to make true also. Because he had given, I cannot die in the day, I cannot die in the night. So it was twilight. I cannot, die in the Dharti. I cannot.
Full insurance cover was done.
Every insurance cover was there, and all the insurance cover was, made.
Broken.
Yes. Despite all these things, Lord killed him and kept keeping him on his lap.
This is called Asambhav ko Sambhav bana.
Asambhav ko Sambhav bana diya. Impossible thing has been made possible. Lord Vamanadev will tell very briefly, Bali Maharaj. So he thought, oh, such a small Brahmana is asking such a small thing, 3 foot of land, nothing more. I have so many things like that. So Lord ne bada diya. First step, 8.20.32-33. Entire surface of the earth with one step, first single step, entire surface of the earth was over. The second step, he covered the heavenly planets also. Second step, that step, where will I keep? This was the Lord asked. So then, Bali Maharaj had to give his head. You keep on my head. And then Bali Maharaj was liberated, Sutal Diya, then he became doorkeeper, all these things. It was all possible. And because the Bali Maharaj was from the same descendant of Prahlad Maharaj. So this is a brief. I'll move on to then. Normally, a person died can never come back. But Lord Krishna, when Guru Dakshina was asked, Sandipan Muni's son was to be brought. He went up to Yamaraj. Of course, the story is long. He went to, Panchajanya, then he went to a lot of big stories there. I'll come to the last point. He came to the Yamaraj and then asked that, you bring the child. So the Yamaraj said, so be it, and brought forth Guru's son. Then those two most exalted Yadus presented, that is Krishna and Balaram, presented the boy to their spiritual master and said to him, please select another boon. But his guru did not ask for any other boon. So that the child was brought alive. Similarly, um, Devaki Mata, all the six, that is Marichi's son. Yesterday, Gokulesha Prabhuji was also explaining that story briefly, that Marichi's son, six, then how he became then, finally, he became the son of Devaki. So then Devaki Mata also wanted from Krishna. He brought from ultimately from Sutal Lok. Seeing her sons return from death and then depart again, saintly Devaki was struck with wonder. O king, she concluded that this was all simply illusion created by Krishna. So even though it was for a brief period and she was able to give the milk to the children from her breast, all this she was fully enjoyed with them, and then she allowed get the liberation. Then 10.89.58, Brahmana son, that was also our Amar Gauranga Prabhu. One day he told the story elaborately. I will come to the last minimal point. They went ultimately to Lord Mahavishnu, and Mahavishnu told Krishna and Arjuna went there. I brought the Brahmana son here because I wanted to see the two of you, my expansion, who have descended to the earth to save the principles of religion, which is stated in Bhagavad Gita also. Lord comes for protecting the religion and protecting his devotees. As soon as you finish killing the demons who burden the earth, quickly come back here to me. Like that, Lord Mahavishnu will tell. Then 10.89.60 and 61, in Dwaraka, they bring the child, Brahmana's child. They were presented to the Brahmana with his sons who were in the same infant bodies in which they had been lost. So, how Asambhav ko Sambhav bana diya Bhagavan Krishna ne. Then Lord protects Draupadi Maharani. So, if both the story, I think the pictures are sufficient in order to save the time. Both the pictures, first picture and second picture, that is Akshaya Patra, how one grain saved that, from the Durvasa Muni's thing. So I'm just moving on from the picture. The next is also picture is sufficient, I guess. That is Krishna, how Kubja was made so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Then coming to Lord Shiva, says one of the verses, simply by expansion of his eyebrows, invincible time personified can immediately vanquish the entire universe. However, formidable time does not approach the devotee who has taken the complete shelter at your lotus feet. Even the Lord's lotus feet one takes, the devotee takes, you take, me take, anybody takes, then the time will not affect. So that is how the Lord Asambhav ko Sambhav bana rahega. Then the Brahmaji also, so many prayers are there. I'll just come to that universe about the 10.14.16, the other two I'll skip. The whole universal creation is within your transcendental body. A fact you demonstrated by exhibiting the universe within your abdomen before your mother Yashoda. So this is how the Lord Brahma's prayers includes about Lord. Then Lord Ramachandra killing Vali from behind the tree. How he could, the Vali, 50% will go to the person, his opponent, whoever is fighting directly. How Lord made and how also Lord justified that Vali, you are an aggressor, and then Vali also satisfied with the explanation of that Kshatriya Dharma, how Lord Ramachandra explained beautifully to Vali, and then he made Asambhav. Vali ko otherwise to kill Vali is not just possible, impossible, he made it possible. Then Pandava Sena and Kaurava Sena. Kaurava Sena had a Narayani Sena also. We know 7 Akshayani Sena. Then also Lord, because of Lord Krishna with Pandavas, the Mahabharata war was won, to put it in a very simplistic manner. Then the Lord Krishna's power to make everything possible. Ishopanishad says, Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnam Adaya Purnam Eva Sushyate. That is 1 + 1 is equal to 1, 1 - 1 is equal to 1. All are possible. ये सब असंभव है बाकी दुनिया में, but Lord Krishna का दुनिया में ये सब संभव है. Then Charana Kamal by Suradas. Charana Kamal Vandon Hari Hari. I will come to only the translation part instead of the song. By his mercy, a lame person crosses mountains. A blind person sees everything. A deaf person hears. A dumb person speaks. So what else the Asambhav ko Sambhav bana? Ye sab Lord Krishna ka quality hai. Suradasa has sang. Now coming to the nearing end, Lord Krishna made Srila Prabhupada do miracle. This I will take 1 more minute. At the age of 69, whether anybody can think about. Travel by cargo ship, just 40 rupees in his pocket, just 40 rupees. Suffered heart attack, not 1, 2, 3. Unknown territory US, converted milechas who did not follow any regulative principle into first class devotees, founded ISKCON there, built 118 temples across the globe, all after 69th year. Lives in his books even today. All of us are seeing Prabhupada day in and day out by reading, by hearing. One man spiritual army has done all this miracle. Determination. What Prabhupada had? He had determination. He had firm faith on Lord Krishna. He followed the orders of his Guru Maharaj. Go to West and preach in English. Lord teaches us through the example of Srila Prabhupada that Lord will make impossible as possible. Asambhav ko atisambhav banayega if we follow what Prabhupada followed. The three things: determination, firm faith in God, and follow the orders of Guru Maharaj. And Lord Krishna made the Srila Prabhupada do miracles. Mukunda, Madhava, Madhusudana, Makanchora, Madana Gopal, Madana Mavana, Muralidhara made it possible through his pure devotee Srila Prabhupada to do miracles of modifying milechas to Maharajas and Mahabhagavatas, who in turn turning millions of materialistic people to Manavas and Bhaktas through marvelous Mandir, Mahaprasadam, Mahaprabhu's Madhur Sankirtanam, and Mahabhagavat Katha by everybody, including Oklesha Prabhu, including Polas Prabhu, including Chakravarti Prabhu, including Krishna Bhajan Prabhu, and many other Maharajas and devotees. Asambhav ko atisambhav banaya. This is just a summary of what we seen so much. I mean, so far. Hare Krishna. कोई भी रोक नहीं सकता नंदनंदन को उनका अद्भुत कार्यकलाप से KRSNA कृष्णा. धन्यवाद प्रभु जी, धन्यवाद.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. We went in the flow actually. Asambhav ko sambhav ho gaya. So we will have a nice clap.
Thank you.
And I think so. Even though time was going on, but time is not the matter. But the most important thing is the way you presented, and very nice. And Asambhav ko Sambhav, it is non-going thing. And you nutshell, you give few leelas, very nice, very nice. Haribo.
Thank you.
3 times Haribo.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Haribo.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so next who is